What was the question about steroids?
My question is that this doctor gives steroid to people, but always tell to everybody don't take it. And I listen that we can take in proper cycle. If so, never be side effect.
Okay, so anyway, yes, steroids been given to really ill people because they have no immune system, so they have to boost it up somehow. Yes, periodically, but are you one of them? You are a bodybuilder,
Yeah.
so you want to build mass. You want to use steroids to build mass. So if you want to do that, the amounts you are going to be receiving, and with the training what you are doing, you are up to looking for the external results which I just shared with you. That means all the negative side effects. So basically, this is why it's called a banned substance. You know, they take your Olympic medals away if you do that, and they take your whatever medals in any competition, because it is a performance enhancer, which basically you don't, it is very harmful. I don't want to go into the details, but just take it as it is very harmful. You will be very sorry. First of all, I asked the question, why do you need to be so big and so much muscle? Why? What is your reasons?
Vanity. You have a right to ask that question.
Why? Why? You're not good enough as you are right here, right now, or why? Tell me, your intentions have to be...
The passion is matters, na?
No, I don't.
Why the passion
No,
is this?
your intentions have to be...
I ask you that
healthy.
why you want to be an MBA?
Nah, it's two
That's
different reasons.
No.
Actually, yes, achievement.
Body क्यों चाहिए?
What is
I
this?
don't
What
want
is
I
big
don't
muscle?
I don't want big muscle. I just want stamina. Okay.
Well, there's nothing to do with steroids and building muscle because
No.
that's your heart.
You
So
can
run.
You can live without you can live 60 or 80 years without take steroid. You can live. Okay. You also
can live
live
up to 120.
and you can live 120 with steroids. But
I never seen that.
But I think that I am seeing that
You want to
can-
build a stamina, right?
Yeah.
Well,
I have never taken any steroid, any supplements, anything. And I can easily run for like 5 to 6 kilometers with no stopping. There's nothing thing like stamina. Oh, sorry, the supplement which
Steroids.
provide, or
Yeah.
steroids which provide help to build up an stamina. It's just your practice and your will.
Practice,
which will
there you go.
make you perfect and perfect.
So if you are sitting... go ahead.
Start running from 500 meters, then 1 kilometer, then 2 kilometers, and your stamina will build.
So basically, the whole key is in the doing. You cannot wait for a pill to do this for you. Even if you take the steroids and if you don't exercise, you won't build muscle mass. Very simple, okay? So if you don't run, your heart won't work, so therefore you won't have stamina. So these are key points. Don't go for the easy way out, okay? And get your intentions right. If you have problem with your outlook and you're not feeling good enough, and you think that by building muscle you will be good enough, guess what, my friend? You never feel good enough.
All right.
You never. If you do an MBA to feel good enough, then once you get your MBA, you sit there and stand there. Okay, I have my MBA. So what? Nothing happens. So you inside, you must heal yourself inside and feel that you are good enough.
Right.
So once you reach that point, and if you still work on your body, it's fine, healthy ways, and it comes back to normal shape because you have peace inside you. So that's the whole point.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good point.